Hi everyone, this is Varun from Airplant Planet. So today we will see how to set up this mini paludarium. This is a mini paludarium and we'll see how we'll set this up. Let's do it. So out of the box, a mini paludarium comes with this sump which has a pump inside it and foam inside it, and on this side we have the water level wherein you can see how much water is there in the sump. Then it comes with this LED light, these two light stands, moss wall for the back of your moss. This is how it looks like. So it's a sponge with moss on it and this openable front. So let's see how we'll set it up. So what we are going to first do is remove all these paper sticker on top of it. So we will start with removing these ones and we will go on and remove all of them. So what we do first is we take some water and remove this top part. You will see the pump. Take out the wire. The wire has to come out from this groove. The wire comes out from this groove, and then fill the water in the bottom part. Once you fill the water in the bottom part, keep the top part on it. These light stands, make sure that the square things are facing down. Fix them here on this and on this one. Then take this LED light, remove the sticker, put the LED light on top, switch on the light and take out this sponge from the pack. This groove should be on the pipe, so we'll just keep it like this. So this fits perfectly on this, and at this point of time you are good to just fill water and start the pump, so that the moss wall will start getting the water dripping. Otherwise, to decorate the terrarium, what we have done is we will take some sand. We are using this white aquarium sand. We'll just put it below, some sand. Then we have prepared this driftwood with few anubias and ferns that can fit inside this. So you can just put this driftwood on this with the plants. Adjust the angle. Keep misting the plants in case they look a little bit dry. After that, just pour water gently. You can put your hand so that water does not spill and shake off the sand. You need just about half a liter of water for this. And put this lid, just make sure that the grooves fit here and the door closes. So your paludarium is ready. After this, all we need to do is just on the motor. Let's see how it looks. So now our paludarium is ready, up and running. It makes a beautiful piece to be kept on your study table or your corners of your house near your TV units, anything, with the water flowing throughout the back wall. The moss will grow on that back mesh. Your plant will grow due to the ambient humidity inside, and it will definitely earn you a lot of compliments. So if you like this video, make sure to share it, to subscribe to our channel if you like it, and to purchase this mini paludarium, we have a link in the description. You can purchase the mini paludarium from there. We ship across. Thanks for your time. Thank you.